Right, I'll share something with you guys which is quite important when you're sort of working with electronics and you want to prevent them from moisture basically getting to it. So I've got a pump here. I've got a friend who's a professional window cleaner, and he's asked me to have a look at this and rebuild this out of 3 units, which I've done. I've spent the entire afternoon to sort of sorting this out basically. It's a pump battery with its own circuitry in the side, on and off switch, and that's that. And this is the PCB for the battery and the control. Now obviously, because this unit is exposed in outside all the time, rust will start building up on these contact points and on these resistors. You know, any sort of legs like these will, you know, eventually the rust will start building up, because obviously, as we all know, that moisture is the cause of all these problems, and water and so on and so forth. So what I've done is I've applied a conformal coating on it basically, and it literally took me by a little surprise basically that how quickly this conformal coating has actually dried. Now I'm sure I read something about 24-hour cure time, which is perfectly fine, but as I was applying, it was quite tacky, and it just dried up within less than half an hour. So I thought I'd probably share with you, you know, and maybe you want to consider sort of using this conformal coating on the PCBs. Now what have I used is this. Okay, it's MG Chemical 419D, and it's an acrylic conformal coating basically. There are 2 other, I believe, conformal coating, but after doing a lot of research, the acrylic turned out to be more favorable for this type of component, you know, and PCBs and things like that. So definitely would recommend this. I believe the full cure time is 24 hours, but I'm surprised. Look, I mean, the hand's not even sticky. It's literally just bone dry, and you can see the glossiness on it. That's because it's got the coating on it basically, and there's a bit of a shine on these IC and all that, if you can see it. There you go. Alright, so definitely a winner this. How much was it? I think it's about just under £11 from Amazon.co.uk. So check this out anyway if you want. I didn't bother using the brush. I used a cotton bud, just dabbing all over the components and things like that, and just left the brushes for something else maybe. So yeah, definitely would recommend this. So if you're looking for a conformal coating, go for that basically, and I'm sure you'll be happy with it. There are a lot of reviews on the Amazon saying that, oh, it hasn't done this and it hasn't done that, but I'm surprised it's worked for me, and I can assure you that it's bone dry within 20 minutes. So yeah, that's all. This is a working unit, should be a working unit, unless you want to sort of hear it running. Let's power this. Let's connect all this up. Let's connect the battery. Yep. Alright, so the battery needs a good charge. That's that. Yep, brilliant. I'll disconnect the battery while I put the PCB back on its place. That's all really. Look after yourself, guys, and I shall see you soon.